another one from the Alpha side of the order. Okay, we have two people that the kids are bringing on dates from open air up here. They like so many good ones, they got them.
We're about to do a free.
Ben is Marie Waterfire.
He doesn't want to be.
Right, where is that? Well, sorry, some of these people up there know last year stuff.
Either way.
Okay, Ben and Maria walking up here now. Ben and Maria ran our gate and done numerous other things for us throughout the years. And we just wanted to give them a plaque to tell them how many years, how much we appreciate them. Marie, I want to thank you. And also Ben, thanks so much. Thank you guys for all the years you've done for us. I'd like to be thankful. They're coming back to the White Circle side coming too, and very active, and we do appreciate that. We have one more person that's significant today. Where's that? Chris Kimmel, are you out there? Tracy up here. All right, as soon as we get sorry, Clark, how well you people all work together. Okay, Chris Kimmel, would you come up here, please? Chris Kimmel, come up here, please. Chris Kimmel is our other main person at the apple cider mill. He's been doing it for years. And, Chris, I just want to thank you all for what you've done for us. You're an amazing person. I've talked to you kids. And you did a huge job. Give her a round of applause. You're not in the outside of your work. And again, we want to thank all of our workers. The ones we honored is a small group that's now helping. We're trying to do this over here. So thank you all for working for tonight and all the women who honored tonight. Mark, all back to you now.
Thank you, Kevin. And we're going to have some more people after a while for you to meet. But at this time, we want to remember those who died since our last gathering here from the prison. Nelson Sheffel, 62 years old, died September the 28th. Greg Gerhardt, 73 years old, died October the 6th. And at the Jubilee, you can find him running around the international tractor he helped to restore. Nancy Coots, 5 years old, died October the 8th. And at the Jubilee, she could be found working in the pie stand in the museum hall. Bonnie Ream Farron, 68 years old, died January the 28th. And at the Jubilee, she would help at the fair hall where the home-style meals are served. Betty Oler Mancini, 82 years old, died December the 28th. And at the Jubilee, she could be found working at the inside hamburger stand. John William Krieger Sr., 98 years old, died June the 12th. And at the Jubilee, John could be found frying hamburgers at the inside museum hall stand. He worked that stand for 60 years. He was also a member of the fire company. Marlene Elizabeth Clay Kahn, 80 years old, died August the 29th. Member of the Ladies Auxiliary for many years and worked at the fair hall where the home-style meals were once served. She and her sister would cut ties. Randy Temple died October the 30th. We think he's around 64, and he always ran his John Deere tractor through the parade. If you have a hearing aid, turn them off. If you have little children, cover their ears. Are you ready?
Yeah! Yeah!
Let them blow.
Yeah. Good job. Good job.